Today's a tough video because the cameraman is saying don't put your hand in the pocket. My wife says my skin's blotchy and I'm not in Hollywood, but I'm on my way. It's just the alarm of people coming in, the noise there. So I get asked a lot of times what's the difference between the two machines, and I think I should just make a quick video about the specifics. And basically the NGE7, I don't have it plugged in over here, I have the NGE13 plugged in, is physically that this machine can come into two parts, and there's a method where we can lift the upper half like a stretcher and carry it upstairs, downstairs, into an attic, into a basement, and then the bottom half is separate. On this machine it doesn't come apart, it's just too big and too heavy basically and too strong. The goal is that you have a difference in work area. So I just had a couple pieces of wood cut. This is 16 by 22. This is your heated work area, and this is 13 by 13, just to give you an idea. So most of the things that you will ever do on the front of a shirt are covered by the NGE7, Next Generation Embossing. There's no problem there whatsoever. This one is bigger because it's more industrial machine, and sometimes people want to do stuff along a sleeve. If you have to do something along a sleeve, imagine that you'd have to put it a bit on an angle, so it would be kind of awkward. Over here, you could put that sleeve jig and you can obviously cover it the whole area, so it's not a problem at all. In both cases, you have a work surface that rotates. So essentially, when you put it into position, the advantage is that if you've got an XL, 2XL, 3XL product, if you've got a soft shell jacket, a leather jacket, you've got this giant work area, and it's virtually, double of this size here. Okay, not quite, but it's at least, 70% bigger. Same with the depth. So if you take a look at the finished goods table here, you've got to work to tuck in the garment a little bit more on the smaller machine. So your productivity is less on the smaller machine, but you're also paying less for a machine because it costs more to make a bigger machine, more power. Here you have 7 tons of pressure, here you have 13 tons of pressure. Here you have a smaller color touchscreen, here you have a larger color touchscreen. This one, I can control the height of the platen electronically, so I can go, instead of going all the way up, all the way down for each hit, I could just go halfway up and down, halfway up and down, halfway up and down. I also have a faster speed here and a slower speed. On this one, I can't control that. It's going up and it's going down, and I can't really set the parameters in between. It doesn't work that way. So the advantage is that it's a great starter machine. Here you've got the ability to do just about anything you could ever think of with regards to the embossing machine, multimedia, embossing, debossing, all kinds of products and items. It's just unlimited. This is what the most sold machine is. And this is sold, let's say this one is actually going to somebody in New York, and they do a lot of individualization of binders and books and leather items and panels. If you're doing patches, etc., this is a great machine to do that with, so it's not a problem at all. That's the main differences with the two. I'm not sure if you can see just over here, we've got the where it's made, so a big deal for us right underneath here on the frame. We're showing that it's made in Canada, mostly US components. And then I'm also proud to say that everybody involved with building the machine signing on the inside of the machine. So this signature here is Tom's, and we're going to put his cell phone number in so you can call him directly if you have an issue. Just kidding. So we're proud about what we do, and we want you to take part in doing something different than all the other decorators out there, so you can also have great profit from the decoration. So there's other videos showing the machines in action. I'm just about to head off to the airport to fly to LA, and I wanted to show the difference between the two. On the angle right now, let me just put this away for one sec. Because they're both level, you don't see it, but essentially, you're talking about the stainless steel work area. That's a significant difference. And in the brochures, you can get the specs. I don't know them all off by heart. Both have that foot pedal to control remotely, so you're always safe. And then you always have the finger guards that go down. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching the video, and call us if you have any questions at all. Take care. Bye-bye.